What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to be taking you guys over a really amazing leg workout to hit all parts of your legs, and I just went ahead and did some warm-up. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the leg workout.
Starting off with these squats, we did 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps minimum. Next up is Goblet Squats. Again, 3 sets of at least 8 to 10 reps. Now leg extensions. Moving on to leg press. Next is dumbbell stiff leg deadlifts. And then finishing off with some calf raises.
And with that, guys, we are done with the workout. I'm just about to head out because I have some work to do. I have to go to work. And so today I actually didn't have any pre-workout meal or any kind of meal, so I came for a workout on an empty stomach because I'm still getting a hang of the new place. So I would still need to, get my kitchen set up, and then only I'll be able to get some good amount of protein and meals. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below what other videos would you guys like me to make so that I can get on it and create those videos for you guys. And go ahead and watch the other videos on my YouTube channel. Peace out.